What is a workaholic? In this video, you'll get a clear definition of the word workaholic, plus 5 illustrated sentence examples, along with important notes on when and how to use the word in various contexts. Let's start. First, the definition of workaholic. A workaholic is a person who is compulsively devoted to working, often to the detriment of personal health, relationships, or leisure. Where does the word come from? The word blends work plus alcoholic. It was modeled after alcoholic to suggest an unhealthy addiction. Note, the first recorded use was in the United States in the late 1960s, although it entered wider use in the 1970s, and is now common in both American and British English. Before looking at the illustrated sentence examples, a quick reminder: continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. So let's look at our first example. The picture shows a woman working on her laptop beside a swimming pool. The sentence reads, "My mum's such a workaholic. She even brings her laptop on vacation." The tone here is light, affectionate, teasing, not strongly critical. Here's the next example. In the picture, we see office workers working late. The sentence reads, "Many companies are rethinking policies that encourage workaholic tendencies among employees." The tone here is objective, neutral. It's treated as a workplace issue. It's not a personal insult. Here's a third example. We see a man working at his computer with a cup of black coffee beside him. The sentence reads, "He's not just a coffee addict, he's a caffeine-fueled workaholic." In this case, the tone is playful, exaggerated, using the word workaholic jokingly rather than as a serious criticism. In example 4, we see a man working late in his office. The sentence reads, "Researchers classify extreme workaholic behavior as a form of occupational addiction." Now the tone is formal, analytical. It's less emotional. And here's our final example. The picture shows a man working at his computer, but also having an argument with his wife. The sentence reads, "He ruined his marriage by being a workaholic who valued deadlines over family time." Now the tone is critical, disapproving, strongly emphasizing harm and neglect. So let's summarize all those contexts in this section. Usage. Informal, neutral contexts include common everyday conversation in media and general writing. Semi-formal to formal contexts mean workaholic is acceptable in essays, journalism, and business contexts. Finally, in technical or academic writing, it's better to avoid the word workaholic and use terms like compulsive worker or work addiction instead. So remember, a workaholic is a person who is compulsively devoted to working, often to the detriment of personal health, relationships, or leisure. Depending on the tone or context, workaholic can sound affectionate, neutral, harsh, analytical, or even humorous. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.